I think for 2 years, full 2 years, right? Angithi yeah. So I've been seeing a lot of clips of him swearing at me. Not only me, but different people, by the way, right?
Okay.
But I've never responded to it for the fact that I've been with him for 2 years. I know his state of mind, number one, and I know how, like, I don't want to put it in a way as if like I'm judging his situation, because I couldn't help, because I'm not a psychologist, right? But I kept on telling him that he need help. Even me too, or anyone, you can do things in a certain way, you feel like you're doing things right, and someone can tell you that you are not doing things right, you need a therapy or you need help, right?
Yeah.
So from the day one that I met the guy, I've realized that he need help. Not saying Mina I'm perfect, but I've realized, but still I was patient with him, right?
Okay.
So maybe to just take you through how I met the guy.
Yeah.
I never knew the guy. The guy never sent me a video of him asking me a job, or I'm a dancer, I want to dance with you, number one. Mina, I only knew Limpopo Boy. And Limpopo Boy, he's the one who said, I'm going to bring two guys, which is him and the other guy. His name is TP, right?
Okay.
So, meaning, it's like you hosting me and say, Makazi, come with friends. When I come to your party, if you are saying you're hosting me, of course, you're going to speak with me first when I arrive. And then I will take you through my guests, right?
Okay.
So just because of Limpopo Boy is the one who came with them, I can't go direct to them. I will have to speak with Limpopo Boy about everything, his dancers, how they must get paid and everything. Because he's the boss. Because he's the one who brought them to me.
Okay. Yeah.
You understand? So, but one thing that I made sure is, after everything, I've never allowed to pay Limpopo Boy in his account. I said, if you say, this is your boys and they must get paid in this certain way, at the same time, the money must go through the account, right? And I send the money to their account. I never sent money to Limpopo Boy and say he will give them. So meaning from day one, they knew how they were earning the amount, because they never complained from day one. And it.
Sure.
So at some point now, I can see Uri, Limpopo Boy and him, they were not getting along because of he wanted attention, or he wanted to be like Limpopo Boy, and there is something that you can buy. You can buy talent. Limpopo Boy is good at his own, and we can see he's good, and we can't compare him with anyone. But that one was fighting for that. Maramina, I tried to come in between to calm the situation and say, you guys now, you are my dancers. You are no longer part of Limpopo Boy group. You understand?
Yeah.
And if now I'm going to the show and people are screaming on Limpopo Boy, I can't keep quiet. I will scream with crowd. Because that's what is happening. So if he comes in, people, they don't scream. I will still scream, but because of you want to be like Limpopo Boy, he's still going to make it an issue. Why now am I screaming more on Limpopo Boy? Forgetting that I'm screaming more because of the crowd. You understand?
Okay.
So I feel like that builded an anger to him. And unfortunately, it was not on my space. Now I was just delivering from the situation where the crowd is screaming and I have to scream with the crowd without knowing that is building an anger to him. You understand?
Yeah.
Fast forward, Limpopo Boy at the same time, he wanted to start his own thing. Mina, from my group, whether you are a dancer or a DJ, if you feel like now you can do your own thing, I allow you to go, because I can't stop you to continue with your dreams because of you're with Makazi. If you feel like I can do it alone, I let you do it without any fight. So at some point, Limpopo Boy left us, wanted to do his own thing, and without a fight, by the way. And I never said, because Limpopo Boy left and you came with Limpopo Boy, you must go. I remained with him, right? Okay, just fast forward maybe to make you understand why this guy is like this now. We went to a tour for UK and Australia and what is other country? I forgot the country. Some years back, 2 years back. So when he went there with us to do a tour, they are guys, right? They got girlfriends there. Of course, the girlfriends love them because of they are with Makazi. They are dancing with
Yeah.
Makazi, of course, you know. And Mina, at some point, Mina after shows, I am someone who doesn't want to go out and everything. I want to go sleep at the hotel and wait for the next day. So
Yeah.
whatever happening after, I don't really care because of it's after work. I don't want to feel like maybe I'm controlling
Yeah,
their
control,
lifestyle after
sure.
work. You understand? So it happened that the guy got a girlfriend in Australia. So now, Limpopo Boy came to me and say, there are people that notice that I'm in a country. They want me to come to their dance studio. And those people, they also DM'd me. They also DM'd Limpopo Boy. I'm like, no, I know, I saw the messages. I saw the DMs. You can go. I'm not jealous of you going there. And Limpopo Boy went there. That's where it started. That's where Limpopo Boy tour started, actually, by the way. You understand? When we were in Australia. So Limpopo Boy, he went there alone, of course, because they wanted him. So the
Yeah.
anger of the guy is like, nah, I plugged Limpopo Boy to that crew or to that dance class that Limpopo Boy went when we were there. Whereas it's not true. Limpopo Boy, they just DM'd him direct. Because even our culture says that umsebenzi wakho uzokukhulumela, right?
Yeah.
So umsebenzi waLimpopo Boy umkhulumelile. Bamu DM direct. Angitshele ukuthi ngicela ukuthi mina ngihambe ngiye ku studio ngithi hamba because I'm not jealous of him. Ahambe. The guy became angry as if like mina I'm favoring Limpopo Boy without knowing that Limpopo Boy people just love him direct without being with Makazi. Wabona. So mahamba ayale, he did his job. After that, abantu bayifuna. After that, that's where it started everything, this tour and everything. Okay, we come back fast forward. We came back to South Africa fast forward. And then Limpopo Boy came back to us and say, you guys, this month I won't be available. After that class, I got other classes that I must do in these countries. Now, I let him go from the good faith. You
Yeah.
understand? Mara, I can't say Limpopo Boy go with Makazi or go with Mabana or whoever. He must do as he wish because they wanted him. We can't be jealous of him. You understand?
Yeah.
So now, when he did his own plan, Limpopo Boy going out of the country to do those dance classes, of course he told me, he never said bye-bye to anyone. Everyone saw it online, including Raj Mabanana. So Raj now, because of he want to be like Limpopo Boy, let me just put in that way, because his fights, like I said, was why now I scream when Limpopo Boy is dancing, without knowing that now I'm just supporting the crowd, because I'm a performer. I must know what must be done when we are performing. You understand? So when he sees Limpopo Boy flying now going outside, because to be honest with you, he want to be like him. And unfortunately, you can't buy such. It's a talent. You
Yeah.
understand? So, after seeing Limpopo Boy flying, and then now suddenly, he says, and now he can't come to work. He's going to see his brother in Australia. Actually, he's telling other dancers that he's not around. He can't come to work. He didn't tell me straight. Okay, it's fine. I was waiting for him to tell me that. And then he comes back to me and say, no, I also got a job like Limpopo. He just said it like that. I also got a job like Limpopo Boy. And I was shocked. I knew the truth, because I agree you can know people that you're working with, or Ubiang characters and everything.
Yeah.
Mina did that. I knew this one, he's just jealous of Limpopo Boy. He's going wherever I want to go because he want to do what Limpopo Boy is doing. Mina, I didn't question. I didn't say no. I said, do as you wish. To find Uriena, because of the time that we were in Australia, he got a girlfriend. He had to call the girlfriend to book him a flight ticket. Ufuna ukuthi aze amubone le amvisite Australia. Then the girl, because she's in love, She booked a flight ticket for him to go to Australia. That's how he went to Australia, by the way. When he went there, he had to threat the girl. Uri, now you must find me the dance classes. I can't be here. I have to go and rehearse and everything. The girlfriend had to listen to him as a boyfriend. He had to find other classes. And those guys, unfortunately, they didn't understand what he was doing. He had to shoot those videos to prove a point that he's doing the same. People can witness this. They saw whatever I was doing maybe a year ago. When Limpopo Boy posts, he will post otherwise people doing other things. I'm not jealousing, but I can tell that he was trying to want to be like Limpopo Boy. You understand?
Yeah.
So now, things didn't go the way he wanted it to go. The girlfriend, of course, he loved him because of his with my cousin. Now he's no longer with my cousin. Of course, he will get bored. And then maybe things now went north there when he was there already. And he doesn't have what? Money to book a flight ticket to come back home. The girlfriend now dumped him. He have to find a peace job there. I don't know whether the passport expired or the visa expired or anything, whatever. So now he's blocked wherever he is now. He can't come back home because of his visa. But now he's failing to tell people the truth. Uriana, he's locked there. He doesn't have money for flight tickets. The girlfriend dubbed him because of now he's no longer seeing the celebrity in him. Because even me too as Makazi. Now I don't love anyone. Just I'm not making myself to look good, but I know who I am. I can't allow someone to come to my DM and say, I love you because of Makazi and I fall for it. Because if the fame fade away, I know they will fade away. So I must know what I want as a person, right? So he failed to understand that a girl who invited him there, he became interested in him because he was with us. Now he's no longer with us. The girls, he fed up. He dumped him there and doesn't have money to come back home. Now the frustration is too much. He doesn't have money. He doesn't have a place to stay. He's just all over. And now he's having a pride to tell the truth. Uriana is just sleeping wherever, squatting, whatever. He's stranded. The visa is expired. He's just stranded. So now I called him direct before I can even come live. I think 2 months ago, I spoke with him that if you need help, I can try at least to go to the embassy to do this for you to come back home at least. Mara, because of your pride, he doesn't want to listen. So his frustration to go live and start lying like Jima Show, whatever. By the way, now I believe Jima Show is lying, you know, in a lot of things because I understand this thing. People, when they don't get what they want, they tend to turn things as if like it must be what people read on newspapers or online for people to believe that it's happening. You understand? So now you want to be like those. You understand? Now he's trying to create stories, telling lies about me, swearing at me live because of frustration. Still, I never entertained him. All I wanted is to help him to come back home because of there is no way you can stay in Australia without income, without a place to stay, without food. When you're always going live, looking drug or high or whatever, it shows that you are depressed. There's no one who can leave her children. He has 5 kids. He has a wife, he has mother, he has siblings. There's no way you can choose to stay. Even me too, I enjoy traveling. But when I'm outside there, I can't stay 3 weeks and not become homesick. So it shows that there's a problem there. I was trying to help him. Instead, because he's frightened, he's staring at me.
So, umuteskuluma ngai lana u lentuzan, u rush.
Urash and Urash lo sukhuluma ngaye manje is a person that Mina, to be honest with you, people who have been following me when I piwe, they know me very well that Mina, I can hit a stage alone without a dancer. I invite dancers to just make a picture good, image look good. But if I want, they know people who have been following me. I'm not trying to talk about people who started following me now. People who have been following me, they know that they saw me from the street performing barefooted alone. You understand? So I can do it alone. Unfortunately, I have to respect the craft and try to make changes there and there. But to them, they feel like maybe now I needed them or I can't do it without them. And which is wrong. And I don't blame you to believe that. Because that's how we think. We don't think like the same.
Yeah.
You understand? So, but the guy really need help more than listening to whatever, him swearing. Because I can watch his life, everything is always swearing. There's no way he can go live and laugh. He's always angry. But me, because I know the truth and I know he have anger issues, I know that he just really need help more than these entertainment things.
So kona manje uRush Mamembe ngimbone on the live. I think.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosasa Mzansi. So this is Umakadzi explaining what really happened between her and uRush Mapanana. uRush Mapanana begang driver Umakadzi lesimbone bathukana nini actually bebangathukani, but the guy was actually athukaring Umakadzi saying ukuthi Umakadzi uthwele wayangabi nebantwana waya ema-period kayi-2 ngenyanga. Bekakhuluma nje into esinaka singamakhathi, and umakhathi handled that conversation very well because bekangekhetula uvele nje na ukhuluma naye phansi akhuluma naye kahle, but yena guy nguye nje lo bekalokhu amaphakamela amakhathi akhuluma nezinto letibi ngamakhathi. So makhathi now she's explaining ukuthi kahle hle lo guy lona kudzala anenkinga, actually bekanenkinga ngisho na Limpopo boy because he was jealous of Limpopo boy. Semvele nje akhuluma izinto letiningi ngalo uRush Mapanana. Nami lokhu ngente ngambona ngisho na Diba akhuluma ukuthi ayibolo guy yini ngathi khona scroll lesingabami kahle, ungazuthi khona into lengamthandi ula ibhema ko because indaba ekhuluma nje letiningi make sense. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.